Electric vehicles, EVs, represent a significant and transformative development in the automotive industry. They have gained immense popularity due to their potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve energy efficiency, and decrease our reliance on fossil fuels. Here's a more detailed overview of electric vehicles. Types of electric vehicles. 1. Battery electric vehicles, BEVs. These vehicles rely solely on electricity stored in high-capacity lithium-ion batteries. 1. They have no internal combustion engine and produce zero tailpipe emissions. 2. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. PHEVs combine an internal combustion engine with a battery and electric motor. 2. They can operate in electric-only mode for shorter trips and use the engine for longer journeys. 3. Hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs. HEVs have both an internal combustion engine and an electric motor, but they cannot be charged via an external plug. 3. Instead, they use regenerative braking and the engine to charge the battery. Key advantages of electric vehicles. 1. Environmental benefits. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, thus helping combat climate change. 2. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are highly efficient, converting a higher percentage of energy from the grid into motion compared to internal combustion engines. 3. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts and require less maintenance, resulting in lower long-term operating costs. 4. Quiet and smooth. Electric motors operate quietly and provide smooth acceleration, enhancing the driving experience. Battery technology. 1. Lithium-ion batteries are the most common type used in EVs due to their high energy density and efficiency. 2. Ongoing research aims to improve battery performance, durability, and charging speeds while reducing costs. 3. Solid-state batteries, which promise even greater energy density and safety, are under development. Charging infrastructure. 1. The availability of charging infrastructure is a critical factor for EV adoption. 1. Charging options include Level 1, 120V, and Level 2, 240V, chargers for home charging. DC fast chargers for quick charging on the go. Expanding public charging networks to enhance convenience for EV owners. Range and range anxiety. 1. EV range varies by model but has been steadily increasing with advancements in battery technology. 2. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge, is diminishing as longer-range EVs become more common. Government incentives and regulations. 1. Many governments offer incentives such as tax credits and rebates to promote EV adoption. 2. Emission regulations are becoming stricter, driving automakers to produce more electric and hybrid vehicles. Automaker commitment. 1. Numerous automakers are investing heavily in EV development and production, with plans to transition to fully electric lineups in the coming years. 2. Competition in the EV market is driving innovation and pushing down prices. Challenges. 1. EV adoption still faces challenges, including the need for further charging infrastructure expansion, addressing range anxiety, and recycling or disposing of batteries sustainably. Future trends. 1. The electric vehicle industry is expected to continue growing, with advancements in battery technology, increased range, and more affordable options. 2. Autonomous driving technologies are increasingly being integrated into EVs, promising safer and more convenient transportation. Electric vehicles are at the forefront of the automotive industry's shift towards sustainability and technological innovation. As infrastructure and technology continue to improve, electric vehicles are becoming an increasingly viable and attractive option for consumers worldwide. While electric vehicle, EV, technology has made significant strides in recent years, several challenges still exist that need to be addressed for the widespread adoption and continued improvement of EVs. Some of the current challenges in EV technology include range limitations. Despite improvements in battery technology, the driving range of most EVs is still less than that of traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. This can lead to range anxiety, where drivers worry about running out of charge before reaching the destination. Charging infrastructure. The availability and accessibility of charging infrastructure vary widely from region to region. Expanding and standardizing charging networks, especially fast charging stations, is crucial to alleviate range anxiety and encourage EV adoption. Charging speed. While rapid charging stations exist, charging an EV can still take considerably longer than refueling a gasoline or diesel vehicle. Faster charging technologies, like high-power DC fast chargers, need further development and deployment. Battery costs. Battery packs represent a significant portion of an EV's overall cost. Reducing the cost of batteries is essential to make EVs more affordable for a broader range of consumers. Advances in battery chemistry and manufacturing processes are ongoing to achieve this. Battery degradation. Over time, the capacity of lithium-ion batteries degrades, impacting an EV's range and overall performance. Extending battery lifespan and improving degradation resistance are important challenges. Resource availability. The production of lithium-ion batteries relies on the availability of key materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Ensuring a sustainable and ethical supply chain for these materials is essential. Safety concerns. Lithium-ion batteries can pose safety risks, including thermal runaway and fire hazards. Research into safer battery chemistries and improved thermal management systems is ongoing. Heavy vehicles and commercial fleets. Adapting EV technology for heavy-duty vehicles, like trucks and buses, remains a challenge due to their higher energy demands and longer driving ranges. Finding cost-effective solutions for electrifying commercial fleets is critical. Infrastructure upgrades. Upgrading electrical grids to support the increased demand from charging numerous EVs can be expensive and time-consuming. Smart grid technology and load management solutions are needed to prevent grid overload. Consumer education. Many consumers still have misconceptions about EVs, including concerns about charging, range, and environmental benefits. Educating the public about the advantages and realities of EV ownership is crucial. Recycling and disposal. Proper recycling and disposal of EV batteries to minimize environmental impact is an ongoing challenge. Developing efficient recycling processes and sustainable battery materials is essential. Regulatory and policy support. Government policies and regulations play a significant role in promoting EV adoption. Ensuring consistent and supportive policies, such as incentives and emission standards, is vital. Despite these challenges, the EV industry continues to make progress, with ongoing research and development efforts aimed at addressing these issues. As technology improves and the EV market matures, many of these challenges are expected to be overcome, paving the way for a more sustainable and electric future of transportation. Electric vehicles, EVs, offer numerous benefits, making them an attractive choice for environmentally conscious consumers and those seeking cost-effective and efficient transportation. Some of the key benefits of electric vehicles include zero emissions. EVs produce no tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which is crucial for mitigating climate change and improving air quality in urban areas. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are highly efficient, converting a significant portion of the energy from the electrical grid into vehicle motion. This efficiency results in less wasted energy compared to internal combustion engines. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts than traditional gasoline or diesel vehicles, leading to reduced maintenance costs. There are no oil changes, fewer brake replacements, due to regenerative braking, and lower overall maintenance requirements. Reduced fuel costs. Charging an EV is typically cheaper than filling up a gas tank, especially when taking advantage of lower electricity rates, home charging, and public charging incentives. Quiet and smooth operation. Electric motors operate quietly and provide smooth acceleration, contributing to a quieter and more pleasant driving experience. Instant torque. Electric motors deliver maximum torque from a standstill, resulting in quick and responsive acceleration. Home charging convenience. Many EV owners charge their vehicles at home using standard electrical outlets, Level 1, or dedicated chargers, Level 2, providing added convenience and flexibility. Lower carbon footprint. The environmental benefits of EVs depend on the source of electricity generation. When charged with clean energy sources, e.g., solar or wind power, EVs have a minimal carbon footprint. Long-term savings. While EVs may have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional vehicles, lower operating costs and potential incentives can lead to long-term savings over the vehicle's lifespan. Reduced oil dependency. EVs reduce reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to energy security and reducing the impact of oil price fluctuations. Innovative features. Many EVs come equipped with advanced technology and features, such as regenerative braking, smart connectivity, autonomous driving capabilities, and over-the-air software updates. Government incentives. Various governments offer incentives to encourage EV adoption, such as tax credits, rebates, and access to high-occupancy vehicle (HOV) lanes. Improving infrastructure. Charging infrastructure is expanding, making it easier for EV owners to find and use public charging stations, alleviating range anxiety. Brand selection. A growing number of automakers are offering EV models, providing consumers with a wider range of options to suit their preferences and needs. Contribution to sustainability. By choosing an EV, consumers contribute to a more sustainable transportation system, helping reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. As technology continues to advance and infrastructure improves, electric vehicles are becoming an increasingly practical and environmentally friendly choice for personal and public transportation. These benefits, combined with ongoing innovation in the EV industry, make electric vehicles a promising solution for a more sustainable and efficient future of mobility.